It doesn't take much in this fast-moving world, in this digital age. You don't have to be out of the workforce for very long to suddenly feel like you've been left behind. I was at home with 2 small children, and I felt a little isolated and a little bit out of touch because I didn't have my work colleagues to interact with. My mum Susie, not only did she read to me when I was a baby and start my love of learning, but she was a fantastic example of working motherhood. St Kilda is a very diverse suburb. It becomes quite obvious when you see a mum, lugging a baby around on one hip and holding a toddler with a hand. It's very obvious that she lacks a double pram, and I think that was a big motivator for me, knowing that a double pram would make all the difference for that mum to get out and about and stop feeling so isolated. That led to starting St Kilda Mums when I was at home with 2 small kids. I got Salesforce to help us organise ourselves. If there was a feature of Salesforce that I didn't understand properly, I would be able to jump onto Trailhead, using the search functionality, easily find a module or a trail. I love the fact that I can learn at my own speed. We offer volunteering opportunities for people who want to learn, get some hands-on experience with Salesforce.
Jessie has helped me get back into this workforce through the Salesforce volunteering program she runs at St Kilda Mums. I've learned a lot through this volunteering program and through the courses on Trailhead.
What we're able to do here is build up the confidence of our volunteers and give them some practical experience that gives them confidence when they go back out and start job hunting again.
Anytime I need to ask questions, she's there. Constant support, monitoring of how I'm going within the modules. I'm 50 years old, so you can teach an old dog new tricks.
Jessie inspires everyone to follow their own heart and their own path.
Being a trailblazer means not being afraid to take risks and not being afraid to try something new. My name's Jessica Macpherson, and I am a trailblazer.